Hello children, welcome back to today's English class. Okay children, how are you today? Doing good. Yes, I hope you are safe in home. Be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser, etc. Okay cuties, now we're going to clap our hands. You just clap your hands for 3 seconds. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good children. If you are ready, let us move on to our today's class. In our previous classes, we saw about sight words, that means whole words, and then phonics and also grammar, etc. Right? Today in our class, we are going to learn some more phonic sounds and also words along with the sounds. If you are ready, yes, let's get start our today's class. We already saw about these vowel digraphs. What is meant by vowel digraphs, ma? Yes, when one or more than one letter sounds come together to make a single sound is known as digraphs. Right? Yes, I hope you all remember this. Look at the first digraph. Yes, here Y, right? This letter comes with the sound of I. So that the digraph is I digraph. I as in cry. Say along with me. I as in dry. I as in July. I as in shy. I as in sly. I as in sky. I as in spy. I as in Y. What digraph is this? Yes, I digraph. Yes, you did not say like this, Y digraph. Because here in this the Y letter comes in the sounds of I. So that what digraph is this? I digraph. I. Say along with me. I. Shall we move to the next one? Look at the next digraph. Here, I, E. These two letters come together to make the single sound of I. What digraph is this? I, E. These two letters come together to make the single sound I digraph. I as in pie. I as in tie. I as in cried. I as in dried. I as in lie. I as in tied. I as in fried. I, E. These two letters come together to make the single digraph. What digraph? I digraph. Shall we move to the next one? See the next digraph. Here, I, G, H. These three letters come together to make the single sound I. I, G, H. These three sound letters come together to make the single sound I digraph. I. Say along with me. I. Say loudly. I as in thigh. I as in light. I as in flight. I as in fight. I as in right. I as in sight. I as in might. I as in tight. Okay children, I hope you understood these three eye digraphs, right? Shall we move to the next one? Look at the next vowel digraph, ma. Here, the letter O, E, right? O, E comes together to make the single sound O. O digraph. Say along with me. O digraph. O as in do. O as in toe. O as in ho. O as in aloe. O as in fo. O as in joe. O as in wo. O as in goes. What digraph is this? O. O, E comes together to make the single sound O digraph. O. Shall we move to the next one? See the next digraph. Here O, W comes together to make the single sound O. O. O digraph. O, throw. O, bowl. O. O, sow. O, grow. O, flow. O, own. O, low. O, show. What digraph is this? O. O, throw. O, bowl. Bowl. O, sow. O, grow. Okay, children, let us see the next one. Look at the next digraph. Here O, U comes together to make the single sound O. O. O, pour. O, for. O, coat. O, shoulder. O, soul. O, boulder. O, fourth. What digraph is this? O. Shall we move to the next digraph? Look at the next vowel digraph, ma. This is one long vowel digraph because E, W, these two letters come together to make the single sound U. 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 Few. U. Spew. U. Stew. U. New. U. New. U. Brew. U. Skew. U. Pew. Can you understand this? The digraph? Yes, let us see the next digraph. Here, U, E. These two letters come together to make the single sound U. U, Q. U, Hue. U, Tuesday. U, value. U, due. U, rescue. U, argue. Yes, now we move on to the next digraph. See the next digraph. EI. These two letters come together to make the single sound A. A digraph. A vein. A reindeer. A whale. A rain. Look at the next digraph. E Y. The letters make the single sound A. Pray. A way. A hay. A gray. A obey. A convey. Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Here R sound. R sound. R cart. R dark. What sound is this? R park. R bark. R car. R barb. R sharp. R art. R part. R shark. What sound is this? R. R sound. Let us see the next sound. O-R. Or. Or corn. Or horn. Or fork. Or storm. Or bone. Or pot. Or cork. Or cord. Or form. Or fort. Okay children, what are the sounds we learned in our today's class? I am going to see a quick recap of these sounds. Yes, first thing, I digraph. Next, IE comes together to make the single sound I. I-E, I digraph. And then I-G-H. I-G-H comes together to make the single sound I. I-G-H. I digraph. I digraph. And also O-E comes together O. O digraph. O-W. O. O digraph. And then O-U. O. O. O digraph. And then long vowel digraph. E-W. U. U digraph. U. E. U. U digraph. See the next digraph. What digraph is this? E, I. These two letters come together to make the single sound A. A. A digraph. And then E, Y. A. A. E, Y. A digraph. Next, R sound. A-R. R sounds. And then O-R. R sound. O-R. R. Right? O-R. R. Okay children. These are the letter sounds that we have learnt in our today's session. You just go through all these letter sounds and digraph sounds again. You just resume the playing videos and then learn the things again. All of you take care, ma. Yes, you just stay in home itself. Drink plenty of waters and then juices, etc. All of you take care, ma. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye, cuties.